Hello, this is Renee from Extreme Esteem Coaching and Mentoring. I wanted to talk to you today about people who feel very frustrated that services and other people are not helping them in the way that they feel that they should, because they promise certain things and the people who are supposed to help them don't actually measure up and don't do those things that they actually should. We live in a world where we are trained to be dependent on services and other people, to be dependent on things coming to us from the outside instead of the inside. The result of this is that we remain in a state of immaturity and we become babies, feeling powerless to do anything about our situation, always looking out for somebody else or something else to help us and to meet the need that we have. I believe this is deliberately done to keep us in a state of not only dependence, but to keep us in a state where we are controlled by other people, so that everything that God has put in us to help us to grow does not get a chance to flourish and to come out and to display itself. And this state of dependency and immaturity keeps us locked into a place where many people get in cycles of complaining about the things that they're not getting, and they enter and move into areas where they say things like, my needs are not being met and this is my right, they should be doing this according to the policy and what they're supposed to do. They should be doing this and this and this, and they're not doing that. And so it keeps that person in a state of dissatisfaction, unhappiness, looking out, and in a state of complaining about other people and other things, and the vibrations and the things that are released from them are negative and they attract negative things. And yet all the treasures that has been buried and has been planted and that is locked within their DNA and their voice and their sounds and their words and their being is locked up and never used. That treasure house never gets exposed. But I want to encourage you to grow up, basically. I want to encourage you to stop being a baby and just decide within yourself that you are going to grow up. If you become aware of what you're doing and you decide that you truly want to take charge of your life, to be your own champion, to take control and to change things, to shift from being dependent on other people to being dependent on who you really are and to develop who you really are, then that means you create a place within your being where you can exercise your creative power and you can exercise your problem solving capacity and your resolution skills. You put yourself in a place where you're forced to act in a way that helps you to grow up, to start being inventive, to start creating solutions. And these solutions are often not used only for your situation, but for other people. And it creates a space and a vibration in this realm, in this earth realm, and within the people that are alive here on the earth. It creates a wave that goes out to help everyone. And when you begin to discover and to create something that is not only beneficial for yourself, for your family, for your friends, and those who need it, those who are in your spot or who are in the spot that you were or that you are currently in, then you help them. You end up leaving a legacy of something to help them to develop and to move forward. So you shift the things up higher so that they are able to start and to come to that place and they're able to contribute and to move up higher as well. Enabling other people to create what they're designed to do, encouraging them that it is possible, that we don't have to be slaves in this world. We don't have to be slaves to a system, to ideas and of the world. We can create shifts inside us, paradigm shifts. Look, I know you can do it. I'm encouraging you to do it. As a matter of fact, you must do it. You must do it. Don't waste any more time. Don't waste any more of your life. You can do it. And let me know how you go. Okay, thank you very much for your time. And remember that you can live an extremely glorious life. Bye-bye.